Have you ever wondered if the universe itself might hold a secret, a fundamental quality that unites everything, from the smallest particle to the most complex mind? It is a profound question, one that delves into the very nature of existence and experience. Panpsychism is the philosophical theory proposing that consciousness, or at least consciousness-like properties, is a fundamental and ubiquitous feature of the physical universe. Instead of consciousness being an emergent property solely found in complex brains, Panpsychism suggests it is intrinsic to all matter, manifesting in varying degrees of complexity across reality. The core idea behind Panpsychism attempts to address what philosophers call the hard problem of consciousness, which is how physical processes in the brain give rise to subjective experience. Proponents of Panpsychism argue that, by positing consciousness as a basic element, rather than something that suddenly appears from non-conscious components, we can better bridge the gap between mind and matter. This approach avoids the stark dualism of mind and body as separate entities, and it also moves beyond the idea that consciousness is merely an accidental byproduct of biological complexity. Understanding Panpsychism encourages us to reconsider our assumptions about the world. It provides a framework for exploring the potential for rudimentary forms of experience in seemingly inanimate objects or fundamental particles, suggesting a continuous spectrum of consciousness throughout the cosmos. This perspective shifts our focus from solely biological systems to a broader view of how experience might be embedded within the fabric of physical reality. Within Panpsychism, there are various nuanced positions. For instance, micropsychism suggests that consciousness or proto-consciousness is present in fundamental particles, while constitutive panpsychism proposes that the consciousness of composite objects, like a brain, is directly constituted by the consciousness of its constituent parts. A significant challenge for these theories is known as the combination problem, which asks how these tiny, individual forms of consciousness might combine to create the rich, unified experience we associate with human consciousness. Modern discussions of panpsychism often connect with advanced concepts in physics and information theory, exploring how intrinsic information might relate to fundamental consciousness. Ultimately, Panpsychism offers a bold and compelling alternative to traditional views of consciousness, inviting us to imagine a universe where mind is not an isolated phenomenon but an integral part of its very structure. It challenges us to expand our understanding of what it means to be conscious and how that experience might be interwoven into the fundamental laws of nature, providing a unified and expansive vision of reality.